TikTok Shop is absolutely a golden opportunity. And in this video, I'm taking a snippet from a live stream that I recently did in which I uncovered one of the top, actually the top TikTok Shop in the last 7 days, producing over $1.4 million in a single week. And I dissected it extremely detailed so that you can see exactly what it takes to get to that number. But not just that, it also showcases some of the latest strategies that are working when it comes to digital marketing and e-commerce in general. This is stuff that I'm seriously excited to share with you because I've been a part of even 9-figure brands when it comes to e-commerce. I have a company called the Chemi Lab. We do a lot of different stuff, but ultimately I've been able to see that even some of the biggest brands in the world are not capitalizing on these things. So just simply by watching this video, you're going to be on the cutting edge of e-commerce. And hopefully, if you're an e-commerce business owner, you can actually apply all of it to build your own business. If you need help with any of that, chemilab.com is where you should go. But anyways, here we go. This is the video. And if you want to access some of this stuff live, you should just subscribe to the channel. This was literally from the last live stream that I did. I want to do these every week. So make sure that you're subscribed, and that's it. So let's find some stores, guys. This is what I want to do. I just want to find some stuff while I answer the questions that you guys may have. It'll be kind of like an interactive Q&A slash just normal research day for me. I do a lot of research. If you guys don't know, I consider myself a bit of a scientist when it comes to e-commerce. I'm constantly doing research, constantly trying to think of new ideas, theories to test out. It has helped me a lot, not only when it comes to the agency where we help clients, where we help other e-commerce brands, and within the Chemi Lab community where, we have, I guess, students, you could say, but also in some of my own holdings, right? So in some of the brands that I actually have share value in, it's really helpful to be able to understand business at a high level, be able to understand what other e-commerce stores are doing at a high level. So trust me, this information is quite valuable, especially if you can put it into action. I guess that is a caveat. You have to put it into action. But this is the two biggest tools that I use when it comes to doing research is really store leads and Callo data. I love Callo data. I'm not going to lie. Callo data is probably my favorite tool right now. It is just such a powerful tool when it comes to overall research. It's just so powerful. It shows you the latest TikTok Shop products, which is really great because not only is it a product research tool, but it's also a content research tool at the same time. And not only is it a content research tool at the same time, it's also a creator tool at the same time. So that's a lot of tools in one. It's not cheap, but it's really good. So, wow, this is what's really popping off right now. It's these cakes. Cakes, body, grippy, not sticky, seamless covers. Wow, so I remember actually seeing these people on Shark Tank. I remember them going on Shark Tank. And now grippy or cakes, let's look up cakes on Google. Okay, grippy, not now. Grippy, not sticky. So this is it. This is Cakes, the brand. And as you see, the Shopify store is super clean, but very simple. I don't think it's very difficult to set up a store like this. I know it's not. This almost looks like the Shrine theme. You could set something up like this quite easily when it comes to Shopify. And, they're actually using a very traditional, well, I guess it's not really traditional, but this is the same format that a lot of dropshipping stores use actually, is to just, have these tabs here, very quick to the point, buy box, and then also a video that's like TikTok friendly, and then some more stuff about it. So super cool, very well done landing page. They have 14,000 reviews. Such a simple product, right? But they have just incredible reviews, and they're reusable, washable, non-adhesive. So I guess as a woman, this is just a very useful product because you can use them for anything, really. Super cool. I wonder if guys will someday use a product like this, just out of curiosity, right? But let's see what their Shopify store is doing in terms of traffic. Wow, they're completely blowing up. This is actually such an interesting thing to note. Let's look at the last 30 days of their shop revenue. and we can see that it sort of closely matches what it actually, this is the last 3 months on SimilarWeb. So if we look at the last 90 days here, we can see that it's actually quite similar. It's going up. It's going up every single month. Every single month they're making new highs. So the other day on the 8th, they did over $500,000 in sales in a single day. So these guys are absolutely blowing up. Let's see what their TikTok shop listing looks like. It's really simple. Kicks, body, grippy nuts, sticky seamless covers, free shipping. They got different colors that you can choose. They have different boob size that you can choose. And this is what it looks like. So about this product, I guess they have a video here, but it's not showing. They have a little bit of a description. Nothing very crazy at all. It's actually pretty simple. So if we go to visit, actually you can't do that. But I think that's their only product. If we look at Cake's body, let's see if they've introduced any new products. This is some interesting alpha here. Okay. In the last 90 days, 4.5 million sales. That's pretty crazy. Let's look at products. So they actually do have other products, but it's basically just other of the same product. So I would say they don't actually have new products. Now, this is one of the most powerful things about Callow data, in my opinion. But we can see some of their top videos. They have over 1,000 videos posted for the brand in the last 90 days. And this is a top video right here. So this is a really interesting one. This one has done 9 million views and has produced over $400,000 in sales. It's a 16-second video. And let's take a look.
For summer is for falling.
Summer is coming.
In love.
Such a simple video.
For summer.
I mean, yeah, I don't see anything that special about this video, to be honest. I don't know why it went so viral. I guess it's just a very aesthetic thing, and I think the pain point they address is you'll never have to wear a bra again, which is pretty really interesting, right? I don't wear a bra, so I don't really have that pain point ingrained in my mind, but I could see as a woman how that would be very painful to have to always wear a bra. So that's what they're tackling with this, and it's just such a simple product, and that's the beauty of it. The beauty of it is just how simple it is, yet it still allowed them to do over $4 million in the last 90 days and over $3 million in the last 30 days alone. So look at the momentum that they're building. That's just so wild. We can see some of their top creators here. So this girl, for example, alone has driven over 700,000 sales in the last 30 days. Taylor, so let's see. We can actually find her page. Let's look at her page quick. Let's see what it's all about. So she's the co-founder. So she's actually the co-founder of the thing. So wow, shout out to Taylor. This is amazing. And she's a mom of 2. She's got a decent following. So yeah, she's got this video with 18 million views that's producing so many sales for the brand. And this is actually so genius, right? So they have the brand handle. They have the founders making videos about the brand. And then, of course, just tons and tons of affiliates as well on top of it, which is super interesting. Now, what I find also very interesting is the effect that this has on a Shopify store, right? This virality is so good for Shopify, like insanely good for Shopify. As you see, they're driving like 500,000 monthly visitors on Shopify now, consistently. And on Shopify, they do have other products. They have a wider variety of products, so that's good. How did that sell? Well, through affiliates, and not just through affiliates. The founders are also doing really great work, like selling the product themselves. And then they are amplifying some of these videos with ads. As you see, we can see, for example, here with the videos, we can see this video is actually being ran as an ad. So this video we know has produced over $400,000 in sales, which is pretty impressive. And then, yeah, these are some of their top ads. This one also $200,000 in sales. This is another one of their ads.
This is not family friendly. And we all know and we hate her. Like, that honestly makes it more obvious. Little flower shape, it's just not cute. I have literally tried everything until I found these. These are called cakes, and they're really big, and they don't use any adhesive. Because if you're anything like me,
So it's a comparison ad, right? That was actually really, really brilliant in a subtle way. It's super raw feeling, but it compares like, you know, your traditional thing, your traditional nipple covers to this. And it also shows how just no nipple cover is also not good. It's not family friendly. Such a great video and such a simple video. That's what I love about this TikTok wave, is that it's showcasing how just simple things can be. Okay, so yeah, this is a brand. Let me actually look real quick before we move on. I do want to see what they're doing outside of TikTok Shop when it comes to ads, because obviously at a Chemi Lab, we run a lot of ads, right? We have a lot of clients that we run a lot of ads for. Some clients do over $1 million a month. So it always interests me to see what other companies that are very successful are doing when it comes to ads, like how many ads they're running, things like that. So let's see. They got 54 different ad results. If we can look at their active ads here, we can see in the last, you know, however long, they have 54 results. So a lot of different ads. Oh, this is that same girl. That same girl from that video, I believe. Oh, maybe not.
Woman, you know what these are. You've seen these before. Maybe you have even used these. They're not comfortable. When you go to peel them off, you might scream.
So that's a very powerful angle for this specific product that I'm noticing, is people talking first and foremost about their normal experience with nipple covers and just how bad it is, like how bad their experience tends to be. And then, you know, showing the alternative, which is a really great format for any marketing video, right? Start with the pain and then, you know, talk about, you know, how you're solving that pain. Yeah, a lot of different ads, which is really smart. So these people know what they're doing. They're taking it to the next level. This is exactly what they should be doing, is definitely capitalizing on the momentum they're building and running some ads through Meta, because that covers Instagram, that covers Facebook. And it also, what a lot of people don't know, is it allows you to retarget people that are coming from other platforms, right? So if a lot of people are looking you up on Instagram, let's say after going to from TikTok, they're going to get your ads, they're going to buy, or even, you know, on TikTok, if they just look you up on Google and then go to your site, then once they scroll on Instagram later, because they went to your site, they're going to be able to get your ads served to them. It's a really powerful funnel, you know, just focusing in on TikTok. It's something I've been talking about for a long time now. And there's more and more evidence of like the real power of this every single day. So this girl's another girl that's just totally crushing it for them. So let's take a look at what she's doing and if she's maybe a founder as well or not. Nope, she's just making TikTok Shop videos, like a lot of people do, but she really is focusing in heavily on this product, which is why they're also doing so well. And yeah, she's doing really good, because in the last 30 days, you know, she's brought in 200,000, and let's say the affiliate commission is 20%. You know, that's a decent chunk of change. So guys, this is actually, if you're in the US, I definitely think it's a smart idea to focus in on being a affiliate creator if you don't have a lot of funds to build your own brand, because you can make some really good cash flow and then utilize those skills to build your own brand in the future. We are working on something like this. We are working on a product in a community that can help you do this. It can kind of help nurture you into an affiliate creator and then, you know, transition into being a brand owner in the future afterwards. But yeah, so if you sign up to chemilab.com, our newsletter, our email list, you'll be able to get some of those things. You'll be able to get those updates pretty soon. Okay, so she doesn't have an Instagram. Let's see, anything else that we should cover here? I don't think so. I think we kind of covered it all. I think we went pretty thoroughly. We found some angles that they're targeting, why they work. And yeah, hopefully, you know, you guys enjoyed that little snippet.